GameSir G8 Galileo Mobile Gaming Controller, redefine mobile gaming excellence. The GameSir G8 Galileo Mobile Gaming Controller is a revolutionary gamepad designed to elevate your mobile gaming experience to console-level precision and comfort. Inspired by Galileo's pursuit of innovation, this controller combines Hall effect joysticks and triggers, pass-through charging, customizable controls, and universal compatibility to deliver a gaming experience that's truly out of this world. Whether you're playing on iPhone 15, Android, or cloud gaming platforms like Xbox Game Pass and Stadia, the G8 Galileo is your ultimate gaming companion. Key features: console-grade comfort and precision. Console-sized sticks and buttons, designed for extended gameplay, offering unmatched comfort and control. Hall effect joysticks and triggers provides 360 degrees pinpoint accuracy, durability, and smooth responsiveness for competitive gaming. Universal compatibility. Fits phones 110 to 185 mm in length and less than or equal to 13 mm in depth, without a case. Compatible with iPhone 15 series and Android devices, making it perfect for all mobile gamers. Seamless connectivity and pass-through charging. Movable Type-C port ensures a reliable, lag-free connection for uninterrupted gameplay. Pass-through charging, keep your phone charged while gaming, so you never miss a moment of action. Customizable controls and personalization. 2 mappable back buttons, programmable for enhanced control and quick access to in-game actions. Interchangeable magnetic faceplates, customize your controller's look and feel with detachable faceplates and thumbstick caps. Laser engraved texture and vibrant design. Laser engraved texture grips ensure a secure, comfortable hold during intense gaming sessions. High saturation fluorescent buttons add a vibrant, eye-catching touch to your gaming setup. GameSir app for advanced customization. Exclusive Android support, customize button mappings, adjust stick and trigger zones, and set zero dead zone for ultimate precision. Firmware updates keep your controller optimized with the latest features and improvements. 3.5mm audio jack and additional features. Plug in your headphones for immersive audio without latency. Hair trigger mode, switch to ultra-responsive triggers for FPS and action games. Specifications. Brand, GameSir. Model, G8 Galileo. Connection, Type-C wired. Compatible platforms, iPhone 15 series, Android phones, cloud gaming, Xbox Game Pass, Stadia. Hall effect joysticks and triggers, yes. Pass-through charging, yes, not all phones supported. Customization software, GameSir app, Android only. Weight, 546g or 1.2 pounds. Package size, 26,214,966 mm at 10.3 25.8 72.6 in. What's included? 1 GameSir G8 Galileo controller. 1 small thumbstick. 1 high thumbstick. 1 round thumbstick. 1 user manual. Why choose the GameSir G8 Galileo? The GameSir G8 Galileo is more than just a controller, it's a gateway to gaming excellence. Its Hall effect technology ensures precision and durability, while the pass-through charging and movable Type-C port keep you connected and powered. The customizable controls and interchangeable faceplates let you tailor the controller to your style, and the GameSir app unlocks advanced customization for Android users. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive pro, the G8 Galileo delivers console-level performance in the palm of your hand. Redefine your gaming experience. The GameSir G8 Galileo is your ultimate mobile gaming companion.